Updating your billing information on Pleo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is up to date. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Pleo account by visiting the Pleo website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to update billing information. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option, usually found in the sidebar or under your profile menu. Click on it to access various account settings. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Settings menu, find and select the Billing or Payment Information section. This is where you can view and manage your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Enter the new billing information you wish to update. This may include credit card details, billing address, or payment method. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for a Save or Confirm button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your billing info has been successfully updated. Make sure to check your email for any notifications regarding the changes. Keeping your billing information current helps ensure uninterrupted service.